What's up, everyone? It's Ivan, and today I want to go ahead and jump right into 401k retirement accounts and how you can use the money-making potential of compound interest to retire well off. All right, so first off, what is a 401k? A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement account. Basically, it's where the employee invests a certain amount of their salary dedicated to retirement, and the employer matches a certain percentage of that contribution. So I'm going to be using the specific contribution to match ratio for the company that I work for because I think it'd be more beneficial than just using an average contribution to match ratio that's out there. If the employee was to contribute 1% of their salary to their 401k, the employer would match that 100% and add another 1%. If the employee was to go ahead and contribute 2% of their salary, the employer would match that 50% or 1%, totaling for 3%. They can do that all the way up to 6% given this structure, and the employee would contribute 6% of their salary, and the employer would match that 3% for a total of 9% of the employee's salary. But really, you'll never really max them out because you need to be making about $300,000 for 6% of your salary to be $18,000. Now, you might ask, why should I only contribute 6% of my salary? Why not contribute more? Well, in my opinion, with fees and sometimes the fund that the company defaults you to invest in, it's not really beneficial to invest more than that. You're probably better off investing on your own in your own Roth IRA or whatever other account you may have. Now let's get into the specifics of how you can use this to maximize wealth for retirement. So I'm going to use the 2019 median US salary because we are talking about the average person here and how they can retire well off. And remember, this is just one component of your retirement portfolio, so don't think this is the only thing you have to do. Now, we're going to use the US salary of $35,977, and with the 9%, that'll be $3,237.93 contributed to your 401k each year. On a monthly basis, this will be $269.83, and you'll do this for over 38 years. So this will be from when you're 21 to when you're 59, and you can withdraw those funds. So I'm going to be using this calculator right here to project what the final portfolio value will be at 59.5 for us when we start investing at 21. So this just uses historicals and assumes that you'll reinvest those dividends in your retirement account and gives you your final portfolio value. So if we were to go ahead and use 1983 to 2021 and invest $269.83 a month, our final portfolio value will be this right here, and that is the same that we have over here, which is $1,335,951.10. The total money that you would have invested to get there is $123,042.48, but really it's only $82,027.56. For a total gain of 1.2 million and an annualized return of 10.3. For an easy $269.83, you can make a gain of 1.2 million over 38 years and not even notice that that $269 is gone each month, but at the end you'll have 1.2 million to use for retirement. And this just really goes to show the potential of compound interest and starting off at an early age. And that's really why I'm making this video. I hope that people around my age start to do this so that there's no more troubles in people's finances in the US. I feel like finances are just getting worse and worse, and it's sad to see. So one quick note that I want to go ahead and make is go to this website over here, 4Pillar Freedom, and I want to use this analysis that this guy did. I want to give him credit because he did a great job, very detailed, but I want to just take a few snippets of his analysis just to really show what the S&P 500 can do for someone over the long term. So here, the S&P 500 delivered negative annualized returns in 11 out of the 81 10-year periods. That's 13.6% of 10-year periods since 1928. Over a 20-year investment period, it's never delivered negative annualized returns. That goes to the same thing for 30-year periods and for 40-year periods. The S&P 500 typically has delivered 6 to 8% annual returns over the long run, even after inflation. So that's one thing I want to mention as well. This 10.3% is not inflation adjusted, which means your 1.2 million obviously won't buy you what it will buy you now. It'll buy you less. So, but nonetheless, that doesn't take away from the potential that compound interest has and what you can do over the long term investing in the S&P 500. And if you haven't seen some of my other videos detailing how powerful the S&P 500 is, you can go ahead and check those out as well. So I want to go ahead and thank you if you watched this video. If you got any value out of it, comment something below. We love to hear your different thoughts, and everyone benefits from them. So go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for any future videos that I make. And as always, make it a great day.